Hi and welcome. Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps Happy Pug-o-ween stamp set and coordinating outline dies. These images are truly too cute to spook. Let's have a closer look at them. While stamping the images out, I'm going to give a few details on this set. I want to start by letting you know the outline dies are sold separately. Now, this set has three whimsical pugs, Count Pugula, Frankenpug, and Pug Mummy. And here you can see it has two pumpkins, bats, and a moon, plus seven buildable sentiments. Now, Frankenpug is the largest image, measuring 2 3/4 inches high by 2 inches wide, and the smallest image in this set is the bat, that's 3/8 of an inch wide. Now, I love that Whimsy did the coordinating outline dies for this. There's 8 dies included, one for each of the images. You can color these too cute to spook images with your favorite coloring medium. Create quick and simple cards by adding these to Whimsy Stamp's amazing Halloween papers, or create your own ink blended spooky background. Either way, you're sure to have the cutest Halloween cards when you're done. For my first sample that I have for you, I just created a quick and simple card using the new Bats Galore embossing folder along with the broken web embossing folder and the mini alphabet stamp set to go ahead and create my own sentiment. Now for my second sample here, I used two of these images together and let them have a little conversation. And I created that background with ink blending and the new Howling Night die set. Let me know what you think about the Happy Pug-o-ween stamp and outline dies in the comments below. For more information on the products, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group, and we would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.